Once I have my snare laid down, the next thing I'm going to do is beat detective that as well. First I'm going to highlight this track again, the same way I highlighted the kick. Go to the selection and capture the selection. Once I've captured the selection, I'm going to analyze it and make sure that the lines show up at each one of the parts that I want to separate it at, basically right before each of the snares. So I'm going to separate it and capture it one more time within the region conform. Once I've conformed it, I'm going to conform it one more time through an MPC swing. So now when I listen to it, it should be on point with the kick. So now I have a kick and a snare on point.